What up, YouTube? A little sick. It is what it is, but that doesn't stop me from partying. Today we're gonna do some stuff on this thing. What is it? It's not all-wheel drive stuff, but it's in preparation of it. We're gonna get this thing in there. We're gonna make some brake lines. And we're gonna do some basic maintenance. We're gonna do some wheel bearings, ball joints, and steering rack stuff. Why? Because why not? We'll be in there, so might as well. I'm joined by Yadiel. You'll see his channel somewhere up here. Check him out. All right, so let's get to it.
You want me to do the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing, yeah, we get it out.
Alright.
Alright, so to take the steering rack, pretty sure everybody knows, that has to come off. This right here, hold on, this little joint needs to come off, so all of these needs to be removed, as well as this. This thing has two little nuts, plastic nuts, as you can see right there. One, and then it's got a little rivet. It goes down there. So remove all of these. Get this light to work real quick. Remove all of that. This bolt already got it loosened up. That bolt goes through there, and it comes out. As you can see, it's just a regular 10 mil, and that's it. Make sure that your wheel is straight before you do anything, because if it's not straight, then you're gonna lose your balance of your wheels. So that's where it goes, that's where it's at. All right, so my suspicion was correct. I have a bad wheel bearing. Good thing I'm gonna replace them. And down the way. All right, back again. What is this, 17 or 19? I have the 19 on. This is the 19. What are we doing here? I have 17. The black, right? No, this is 19 too. Yeah, because we were using it. Yeah, but I think the black one. Black one 17 should be there somewhere. I think you put it back, no? No, because I had it on this. It's back there, like that. Oh, this? Yep. It's right here. We're doing these. Loosen that up. And loosen that up. And reach it. Yep, reach it. Yep, we good. So we're taking this out. The whole thing, which means this has to come out too. But that comes out after we get down. Too fast. We don't want that. So take some time now. That's it. Here. I'll hold it just in case.
That one's out.
Yep. Give me that. The bolt. Let's see the other side. Now remember, long one goes in the back, short one goes in the front. It's not gonna fall because this one still has a bolt.
Where is it? Right here.
Oh, okay. Make sure you put it in before you strip it.
It doesn't even go in.
It should.
This cable thing's in the way.
What cable thing?
This thing.
What?
The cat.
I mean, I had it in there on the other side. What in the world is that on this side? Okay, extension. Now we know that we need an extension. We'll make it easier on both sides.
Oh, you haven't taken out that
I did. I loosened it up and I put it back on just in case it doesn't fall on our face.
Right.
Here we go. Are you serious now? Come on, Air. Don't mess with me. What in the world, dude?
What?
No wonder. See what you did?
No.
You put it the other way.
What? What happened? Oh. So how did it unscrew if wait.
What did you do?
No, because I unscrewed the other one and it came off. So I put it on.
And you put it on the
Yeah, backwards. Is it broken?
It's not broken, it's just something about the Not big hand. That might explain why it wasn't working. That might explain why it wasn't working. Yeah. You don't say.
Loosen it or completely off?
Completely off. Now come this side. Get this one out. And before you get it out, get the phone recording.
I think it's been recording.
It's been recording?
Yeah.
It has been recording. It's 8 minutes. Alright, move it. Let's readjust the image. Not the image, but the angle itself.
I think you started.
I think it started.
I didn't start it. I think you just started.
Well, this thing's been recording for 8 minutes.
Yeah, that's
Whatever. Okay, I can edit that. So, right there. Should be out. You see, I just grabbed my hand again. And now, it should drop. Like this. Perfect. Ooh, I'm strong.
Is it heavy?
Oh, yeah.
Chuckles, I'm in here.
Where's the go? Hey, you can get that one out.
Oh, yeah.
That is crazy broken.
My knees.
Golly. Ew. Anyways, here's this thing. Completely open down there. Oh, look, that's when I was B-swap. I had to... Actually, no, this is for the Z3 transmission. But yeah. Completely undone there. This, you can literally move it by hand. So that was not supporting much. And old people, man, I'm telling you, old people. Man, all messed up. But whatever. We're getting that one in. This one is actually not bad. It's just, I already got it, so. This was not a bad ball joint, but whatever.
You sell it on your...
I replaced one. Might as well do both.
You sell it on your fan page.
Alright, YouTube, as you can see, I didn't use no gloves because who uses gloves? We men, so men don't use gloves. We get dirty, throw rocks, and break things. Update. So, we didn't finish, obviously. Too much stuff, and we got distracted with other things, and things happen, like putting this thing the other way, forgetting things to hold this thing, and using tools the other way, pushing race of the bearings out while they're installed. Yeah, anyways, these things are done. I opted to remove, hate me if you want, the dust shields because why not? They're all bent to craps and they look ugly. It's not like you can see them, but whatever. But these are done. These things are done. It's got new ball joints, new bearings, new everything in there. So good to go. I'm gonna clean those up later before I install them. And legit. I didn't finish, well, I didn't start with the brake things, brake lines, because yeah, having technical difficulties replacing these things because of my dumb butt. Didn't do it. But as you can see, subframe is out. It's broken. Super broken. Super broken. Man, I just cut my finger. Super broken. So whatever, it is what it is. New one is under the car. Right now, it is gonna stay there for now. I put the hospital bracket already in it. It's loose, so I can, adjust it as it goes inside. The car is gonna stay in the max jacks. I mean, in the quick jack. Sorry, quick jack. Raised up until I finish, because the next thing I'm gonna do, before I do everything, is gonna be lowering this down, making this line, and readjusting the bottom one that goes to the front brakes. That way I can clear the header, because my intent will be to test fit the header to make sure everything should be fine, with the exception of this. This is not going to fit, so I'm going to have to modify it. And then once I test fit everything, then I close it. Be good to go. And from there, I'm going to start doing everything else from the back as planned. So that's it for now. I finished not necessarily everything, but at least I got a good head start. I still waiting for the bushings for the steering rack, so I couldn't finish it anyways. And the sway bar bushings and the sway bar links, they were supposed to be here yesterday. They never arrived yesterday. So tomorrow's another day. We'll do this tomorrow. We'll give it another try, another attempt. We'll get everything good to go. You know, for the steering rack or whatever. And everything down there, sway bar, the whole 9 yard. Brake lines, blah, blah. So, again, Jariel, you can see his hands are clean, which means he didn't do anything. I did everything. Yeah. No, dude worked his butt up. So, we're good. So, until next time, next update you will see, I will have pretty much everything installed already and the car running, with the exception of all of the wheel drive stuff. But the car will be back and drivable again next time you see the next video. I'll give you updates as I go, because from here on, it's going to be everything in the back. Which, by the way, let me give you a little insight. Give me the flashlight, please. All of these right here has been permanently mounted as where it's going to stay. With the exception of the vent. The vent is going to go on the hole, which I already drilled, as you can see right there. Waiting on the fitting that goes there. The can't remember the name of it now. Anyways, goes there, goes on the other side with a filter. So vent turns around. That way, if I flip the car and I'm driving, I don't die in a fiery fire. I die of the crash, not the fire itself. So just in case. It's got the vent valve in here, so if it flips, it doesn't do anything. All the wires are ready to go. Right here, it's my harness, which will connect to this, which will connect to that, and it will connect to here, and then it will connect to the front, which is good to go. It's just a plug and play thing. For now, I'm going to be doing this right here until I can find a weldable, put it upside down, but whatever it is, what it is. Weldable 90 degree from here to there, like I explained on the side, on the last thing. Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm gonna make a hole there, and it's gonna go to the fuel point. But whatever. Next thing will be to get everything back together. Blah 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 blah. Just like I said, and start in the rear. Once everything in the rear is done and welded, obviously the car can still be drivable with everything in the back as it is. All of the all-wheel drive stuff that I have in the back over yonder, we're going there with including the forks, the fork adapter things, and that's it. The final thing will be the drive shaft, which that's the reason why I'm going to do the stuff in the back, so I can measure and go from there. Dirty hands. So back to the shops, like I always say, finish your stuff, stop procrastinating like I've always been doing, and leaving things undone. Finish your stuff, and I'll see you next time.